What if I told you your kitchen holds the key to your health? Let's dive in. From garlic to ginger, your pantry might be more than just ingredients. Did you know turmeric is a super anti-inflammatory? It's like magic in a jar. And don't forget about honey. It's not just sweet, but packed with antioxidants. How about that trusty olive oil? It's an ally for heart health. Lemons add zest, flavor, and vitamin C. A triple threat in your kitchen. Ever considered how spices can boost your metabolism? Add cayenne to your dishes. Your kitchen is full of potential cures. It's time to explore and create. Remember, food is medicine. Each meal is an opportunity to heal. So, next time you're in the kitchen, think about what cures await you.